Hello and welcome to my video about how to beautify your Instagram profile. And Instagram profile can make or break your business or your whatever you do on Instagram or on social media. And it's very effective that whatever you're doing, that you make sure that your profile is something or somewhere or is a place where most customers or people, when they visiting your profile, they visit and get to learn more about what you do. For instance, we can say, let's say you are going to do a search. Uh, let's do a search. And for those who are not in the know, I'm using uh, uh, Chrome extension called desktop desktopify extension that you use on Instagram on Chrome extension or on your desktop, and it functions just as your mobile phone. The way you use Instagram on your mobile device, so the same way it function on your desktop. So, but you can access Instagram on any desktop. But now you can't be able to access other features like you do on your mobile. Let's open another one. This one kind of taking a little too long. So here we go. Try to see whether we are going to access the search area. So we can just come here and scroll and maybe come here, see whether we are going to access the search area. Normally, I don't know why it's scrolling, just turning around. Yeah. Okay, there we are. So we can just say business coach. We can write and say business coach. And when you do that, you're going to get okay, no results that are coming. Okay. I don't know, this one is not coming as we intended it to bring. So we can just go back to normal. And let me try to search just whoever comes up. Maybe we have some limitation using the tool, but it's okay. I can just click some of the people that appear here on top, and maybe let's say I click this one. I don't know who she is. And so it's going to give us the option that you're looking for. Okay, we can come and click this one with this relay to take us to the. Okay, now here we are. Now, if you're, for instance, let's say take this example. If you want to beautify your account, your profile area, we see okay, they don't have much following, but now for you to put, most of people struggle to get where you put this stuff, emoji stuff, different stuff, or maybe just different just a few items just to beautify your account, things like this, and people wonder where can they get them, where can they get this stuff, and it's your profile, you're wondering what can I do to get all this stuff. So it's very simple, it's very quite simple actually. So what you do, let me see whether I can just even get somebody else with somebody a good account. Let's see whether see this one they have. Okay, this one they have not used that on the account. When you can go back, and if you're wondering what you can do to have your account with all this stuff, what you do is you go to Facebook, because now Instagram doesn't allow or doesn't have that on your, it doesn't have those features that you can allow to do that. For instance, what you can do is, if you go to your profile, let me go to your profile and show you. When you go to your profile, that's how it appears. This is just how this is one of the account that I'm trying to create for my blog, so it doesn't have much stuff. So for instance, it's called newbie personal blog. I help newbies, virtual assistant and bloggers to turn their expertise into business. So there I put something there, and then I say, sorry, okay, then I say, let me just close this one. Then I say, refuse to dream and earn dollars of what you deserve. So for you to put this small item that actually they mean a lot, because mostly, they kind of tell people to learn, they help people to learn more about what you're saying or what you do. By actually getting to learn more about this. For instance, somebody you understand this is by dollars. They're talking about money. Dream and earn dollars or money, what you deserve. And then kind of this one is an emoji that points you to, to their website where you can capture all that information. And you can even add as more emoji that you want. So the question is, most people wonder is, how do you get these emojis on your Instagram bio? So it's simple. What you do is you go to Facebook. When you go to Facebook, you go to, let me show you. You go to Facebook. It's very easy. Here we are. So we come to Facebook. Now you got your, where you post your stuff normally. For instance, now you see here, this way you're supposed to post your stuff, what's on your mind. So you click this place, then you come and click your emoji. When you do that, it will bring all the other stuff there. And now what you do is you come and just put or include whatever you want them to include on your page. For instance, you can come and say, if I want to put something like that one, okay. Okay, if I come and pick again, and maybe drop something like, let me go to this football stuff, to this other area. Maybe I can want to put a rugby ball. Maybe I can put something like that. Okay. Okay, then it will appear there. Then I come and add something else. I come add something like, let me come here. Then I add maybe this X. Let me put this X. Okay, like that. So what happens is, when you want to transfer this one, you just come and copy. You highlight your copy, then you go and paste. Let's do one sample. We copy this one X, then we do you click the right button, the left side, but that is the right side button of your mouse. If you're using, now you're on desktop, remember, and you can do so the same way if you have your mobile phone. So I'm using my desktop so that to get you understand. So you come and copy, you copy that, then you go back to your Instagram account. Okay, hope you can follow the process. It's very easy. Then you go back to your Instagram account. So you come here. So I never let me do. Now you want to edit this one. So what you do is you edit click the edit the profile, your profile. Sorry, edit your profile, and let's see what happens. So here it is. So what happens is, you come, for instance, you want to put something here. After business, you want to put something. Let's put our X. What you do is you come and paste. There our X appears, and it's very easy. So you do that. You go again back and capture again. If you want to capture this now, the rugby ball, you come and do the same process that we have used. You come and copy paste. You come and copy, highlight, then you copy, then you go again. So we can close this one because now we are done. Then you go again and come in and paste it on your bio section. There we are. So we are done. So when you do that and you come in and do or whatever you were planning to do on your bio, and you feel now it's okay, the information you have put there is well, so you can come and just we're going to delete that because I don't need that now. For now, you go in and you save, you submit, you save whatever you're saving, then you're done, and you go back to your profile again. You can go and now and check what you put there, and everything looks awesome. So that's what you do when you're putting the emojis on your bio, and it's a very easy process. And you can go there and try to make your site even more better and better and better and better and better. And the process is very straightforward. So hope you enjoy the video, and you subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified when I share other useful videos that may help you in helping you to grow your social media from one level to another. So bye for now. Thank you.